This is a review of my stay at CitizenM London on Vauxhall Bridge Street by Victoria Station. So as you enter, you get a nice greeting. The bar is right at the entrance. To your right, you would see the breakfast area. This is where in the mornings you can come and have the breakfast buffet. You just speak to someone at the bar and let them know your room number so they can charge it to the room. It's about $20 per person. You get unlimited coffees, including cappuccinos, espressos, juices, water. There's even a water station there that you can help yourself to bottles of water, glass bottles of water, or you can refill your own individual water. This is a very work-friendly space, so I've seen a lot of entrepreneurs here. They sit in this area, they take their meetings. The gelato is not included in the buffet, but you can also get fresh fruits on there, as well as hot items in these cast iron pots. They had eggs, they had sausages, tomatoes. I even remember seeing some mushrooms. These were the hot items mostly. There were cold items, lots of cereals, lots of cold cuts, lots of cheeses. There were pastries and jams and different spreads to put on those pastries and on those breads. Everything was yummy. I think breakfast was very well done, very fresh daily, but it was the same items. This is just a little video of my plate with my mozzarella and my smoked salmon, and I had a cappuccino. Now this is a review of room 316. On the third floor. There are about 10 floors to this hotel. All of the rooms are identical, and there is a maximum of 2 guests per room. There's this little sheer to give a little bit of privacy in between the bed area, which spans the width of the room. So there's a king-sized bed, again, bed for 2 or bed just for 1, that takes up that area in the room. It was a nice touch to see my name on the screen, just like they do at the Four Seasons. The bathroom area, the actual shower area, felt like a cruise ship, maybe more like an upper cabin, like a balcony cabin sized bathroom on a cruise ship, whereas the sink was outside of the bathroom area. This little iPad controlled lighting, controlled the blinds going up and down, controlled the TV, the climate. There's even a menu on there. So this is the guide for the TV, but there's also a menu for room service. Now they will not bring the food to your room. They will call you when the food is available. So you place your order directly through that, and then you come down. Now there wasn't too much of a view out of this 3rd story window, and my sister had the room right next to mine, so her view was basically the same. However, it was still quiet. There was extra storage underneath the bed in these pull-out drawers. There was an extra remote in case, I guess, your iPad didn't work, and there was a safe for your valuables, and my carry-on luggage fit neatly in that first drawer. There is also a refrigerated drawer underneath the sink, but we didn't really use it for much. Drank most of the water room temperature, and there was always, like I said, a steady supply of water available downstairs, so that didn't matter very much at all. There was a hair dryer in the room. However, there was no iron, and so of course I didn't notice that, and my sister told me there was a special ironing room, so I had to go check it out for those of you who are iron fanatics, as she is. I don't even know what that machine is, what that contraption is, and how you would operate it, but I figured I would let you guys know. There's an entire room just for ironing. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tour of CitizenM London. I would highly recommend it.